So my amazing, fabulous, wonderful husband his butt off the last couple of days. He's leaving.
Can't get in over there. We'll probably have to back the car out to get in over
Oh. Okay, well, it's not like we're going anywhere.
What else to do with your dirt?
Well, that's perfect. So he has, I'm going to show you guys what he's done, and we'll kind of do a tour. I guess this is the beginning of 2021 gardening season.
Yeah,
We have dirt. Honey doesn't quite understand my enthusiasm for dirt.
not really, no.
I guess we need to take the lights off these trees, eh?
I don't care.
So where do you think we should put them? So these two trees here are going to get moved come spring.
Take them on until you move them.
The lights?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what I'll do.
You have to.
But yeah, so we got dirt in there, and we got dirt in there, and we got dirt over there.
And also,
And we got a pile of dirt in there. Okay, so this here is going to be the gnome garden. Well, it is the gnome garden. It's just pretty bare right now. We're hoping that the roses will all come back. We pulled them all out of pots last fall, and I think we're actually seeing a little bit of growth on these, a little bit of new growth, so that's a good sign. We'll have roses. And here we are, coming into the backyard. The sun is going down, but you can see my lilac is budding. And let's see if this one is, maybe, I don't know. We don't know if this one's gonna make it. It looks like it might be starting to bud up though. This one, of course, stays green all year round. And look at my garden beds. They're finally full of dirt. So, yay, I'm pretty excited. I can start planting in the next little while. I'm actually going to throw some lavender out in those front beds in the next day or two. Maybe tomorrow I'll run out and do that, because apparently it likes a frost and we are expecting one. So in here I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm so excited. It all looks so clean. And oh, except that mess that I made the other day when I was trimming up the strawberries. And look at that celery still growing. That's that summer celery stuff. So I don't think I'll need to plant any of that. I do need to come out here and trim it back, and I don't know, maybe dehydrate some more. I need to start using celery seed more, or celery something more, because wow. And anyway, everybody else is just resting. And I'm a little concerned that my garlic hasn't come up. I've got this one here in the center, and this is elephant garlic, I'm sure. I planted one in the center, but I planted other hardneck garlic all the way around it, and I'm not seeing anything yet. And of course, I've got little pansies. We pretty much have these all year round. I'm just going to leave them in this pot, and then I've got some over there. They grow wild. I don't know what this is. Some kind of a, I don't know, weed. I guess if you didn't put it there, it's a weed, right? So I've got some weeds growing in here too. I don't know what they are. So if somebody tells me what they are and if they're something useful, I can keep them. Otherwise, I mean, I'm going to leave them for now, but when I plant out here, or if my garlic comes up, I'll wait till like February, mid-February, before I do anything with it. Anyway, oh, blinded. Yeah, and this here, I had Dave fill it up. Now this has rhubarb and echinacea, so it's going to be interesting to see if either of them come up, because I buried them under about 3 feet of dirt, or 2 feet of dirt. Dave did, anyway. Yeah, apple tree. Oh, and that's what that other bare stick over there was apple tree. And then let's see, what do we have here? I think this is, oh, this might be oregano. I think it is. Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oregano. So yeah, it winters over nicely here. Hopefully the frost coming doesn't do it in. And how's my sage? It's looking a little weak, but I'll come out and cut that back in a little while. This is my onion. Oh, look at that. These are my chives. So they're starting to come back. And then I've got some weeds in here. Just pull a few of those out. Try not to pull out the onions while I'm at it. Anyway, that's my garden so far this year.